Adventurers, welcome. Prepare yourself for the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome, a car that will fundamentally alter your perspective on travel. This is a mobile microhome made for independence and efficiency, not merely a van. Its exterior features a unique and modern look, with a 4x4 option for minor off-grid excursions and powerful LED lighting for maximum visibility. Its frame is incredibly light and small. The car's incredibly effective hybrid drivetrain offers dependable performance and fuel efficiency. This powertrain most likely consists of a somewhat hybrid system coupled with a modest displacement gasoline engine. It expertly blends Suzuki's spirit of adventure with its practical side. The dashboard's ergonomics and well-designed layout are instantly noticeable. All of the controls are easily accessible, and it has superb visibility despite its small size. The vehicle's data are shown plainly on a computerized instrument panel. Thanks to wireless smartphone connectivity options like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the infotainment touchscreen acts as your control center and keeps you engaged and connected during every trip. The 2026 Suzuki Motorhome's interior is a stunning illustration of spatial design. Each square inch has been thoughtfully designed to maximize functionality without giving the impression that the space is small. It is ideal for a nomadic existence since a large portion of its interior is made of lightweight, durable, and easily cleaned materials. The modular design makes it simple to switch up the configuration. It may be used as a comfortable eating area, a professional workplace, or a place to unwind with a luxurious fold-out sofa. No matter where your journey takes you, the roomy windows and soft LED lighting provide a cozy and welcoming ambience that will make you feel at home. The 2026 Suzuki Motorhome's sleeping compartment becomes your personal haven at night. The seating section may be converted into a cozy bed for 1 or 2 people thanks to an inventive convertible bed system. A pop-up roof, which provides an extra sleeping space above with screen windows for optimal ventilation, is an option for some models. After a long day of touring, an ergonomic mattress guarantees a restful night's sleep. The 2026 Suzuki Motorhome's bathroom is shrewdly built to function in a compact area. A small wet bath, which is a waterproof space with a sink, toilet, and shower, is typically incorporated. Handheld showers and tiny basins are available, as are portable toilets or easily maintained cassette toilets. By employing materials that dry quickly and are easy to clean, the straightforward yet practical design makes sure you stay fresh while driving. The kitchen of the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome is quite practical for its compact size. Included are a tiny sink with a water faucet, a portable stove, which might be powered by an electric induction or small gas burner, and an energy-efficient mini-fridge for storing items. With the intelligently constructed closets and storage drawers, you can keep your cookware and utensils organized and free of clutter. By using this kitchen to make everything from basic to delectable dishes, you can transform any rest area into your own restaurant.